I'm Rachel Robson for LoveMoney.com, and in today's soapbox I'll be looking at one of the biggest myths about debt and bailiffs. If you're struggling with your finances, you might be feeling scared and vulnerable, as well as worried about what the future holds. And one of your biggest worries might be the idea of bailiffs arriving on your doorstep to ransack your home. However, in many cases, bailiffs can't simply turn up on your doorstep. For example, if you owe a lot of money on your credit card and you receive a phone call from your lender to say that bailiffs are being sent round, don't panic. This is because, contrary to myth, credit card companies are not actually allowed to send bailiffs round to your home. In fact, credit card companies can only instruct the court to send round bailiffs once a county court judgment has been granted against you. This is an order by the county court which states how much you must pay towards an individual debt. The only thing credit card companies can do before this happens is send a debt collector to try to collect the money you owe. But the debt collector won't have any legal power, and you are under no obligation to even speak to the debt collector. Even if it does eventually get to the stage when bailiffs have to be sent round, there are a set of rules they should follow. Firstly, bailiffs must provide identification and their certificate from the county court if you ask them to. Secondly, most bailiffs should call at a reasonable time, usually not before 8 AM or after 8 PM. Finally, most bailiffs don't have the right to force their way into your home to take your possessions, and in fact, you don't even have to answer the door to them. If you are struggling financially, however, don't bury your head in the sand. There are plenty of places you can turn to for help, such as Citizens Advice and National Debtline. And it's always a good idea to talk to your creditors to explain your situation. Don't just hope the problem will go away by itself. That's it from me today. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you next time.